Good morning students, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last video we had started to discuss some important terms of internet. Today also we'll continue with important terms. So here we have hyperlinks. Now what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is a hotspot on web page. Hotspot on web page. When you open the web page, you may notice some text are highlighted by blue color, okay, that is their hotspot, okay, and other content will be either in black or white, okay. So it is a link to another web page. That means when you open that, when you click on that hyperlink, you will get another web page. Understood? That I will show you how to click on hyperlink and accordingly you will get the another page. Okay, hyperlink are displayed in the form of underlined text, button or images. Example, you can see this can be a hyperlink on web page. Okay, here is written click here and just below that underline is given. This can be example of hyperlink. Understood? Now when you move the mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the mouse pointer generally takes the shape of hand. When you move the mouse pointer over a hyperlink, the mouse pointer generally takes the shape of hand. Now let me show you. So you can see in the browser I have typed here www.donboscoranchi.org. This is our website address, our school website address. Okay, now I am going to search it. When you search, here you will get many hyperlink. Okay, as you can see the blue color text all are hyperlink. Okay, now when you move the mouse pointer over this hyperlink, you can notice the mouse pointer changes into hand shape. Okay, here you can see the mouse pointer, and when you move over the hyperlink, the mouse pointer changes into hand shape. Okay, now when you click on this hyperlink, you will get another web page. Okay, so you can see this is our school website. Understood? So this is the use of hyperlink. So hyperlink allow us to get another web page. Understood? Now World Wide Web, www. The World Wide Web is a vast collection of pages of information on different topics available on the internet. So have you ever thought how we are getting the information on our mobile phone or laptop? From where it is coming? So it is coming from World Wide Web. So World Wide Web is a collection of pages which has got different information. Okay, so these pages may include text, image, sound, movies, graphic, etc. So we used to search text, image, sound, movies, games, graphics or any other document. Okay, so everything is kept in this World Wide Web. Understood? That can be accessed by the people all over the world. It doesn't matter where the person is, only they need one device and internet connection to access the information. Okay, photograph, you can see how both the computers are getting the information from this World Wide Web. Okay, understood? Now web browser. Nowadays we are very familiar with this web browser. For searching anything we use web browser on our mobile phone or computer. So what is a web browser? A web browser is a software that helps the user to access and view different website. Okay, different website. A browser help in following ways. Number one, it contact the web server and send a request for information. Number two, it receive the information and display the content on the user computer screen. Okay, whenever you type any website address on web browser, web browser immediately send the request to web server, this World Wide Web, and accordingly this World Wide Web send the information to web browser. Okay, and that information can be seen on computer or mobile screen. Understood? Now there are many browsers available for the users to access internet facility. So here we have some example. First, Mozilla Firefox. Second, Google Chrome. Third, Internet Explorer. Fourth, Opera. And fifth one, Safari. So these are the web browser which we can use on our mobile phone or computer for searching anything, whether it is video, audio, text, etc. Okay. So children, today we have discussed hyperlink, World Wide Web and web browser. So what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is a hotspot on web page. It is a link to another web page. Okay. Now what is World Wide Web? The World Wide Web is a vast collection of pages of information on different topic available on the internet. Okay. Now what is web browser? Web browser is a software that helps the user to access and view different websites. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.